Hi students, in this video class I am going to explain you how to reduce expression using Karnaugh map. In short we say it K-map. K-map is a pictorial representation of the solution of the algebraic expression. Without using Boolean algebra, you can also solve the Boolean expression. But one thing is there, you can solve only SOP or POS expression. Otherwise, you need to convert any expression into SOP or POS expression. So, there are various types of K-map. 2 variables, 3 variables, 4 variables, 5 variables. So, easily you can solve expression with the help of 2 variables, 3 variables and 4 variables K-map. So, but how to draw K-map first of all, the base of the K-map. For 2 variables K-map. So, as I told you, K-map is used to reduce any Boolean expression without applying the laws of Boolean algebra. Or due to some graph through picture, we have to solve it. So, if the expression contains only 2 variables, then you have to draw like this. 4 boxes. If 2 variables are there, A and B. Here you have to write A complement for this row and A for this row. Same way B complement for first column and B for second column. And their intersection is A complement, B complement, intersection of this one, A complement dot B, A complement from here, B from here, same way A from here and B complement is here, A from here and B from here. If you write the designation of this, I am drawing it again just to make you understand. Both are complements. So, you write 0, 0, 0, 1. So, complement you have to take 0, uncomplement 1, uncomplement complement. So, 1, 0. Both are uncomplement 1. So, when you write the decimal numbers, decimal number is 0, decimal number is 1, decimal number is 2 and decimal number is 3. This is the pictorial representation of the K-map for 2 variables. Now, 3 variables K-map. 3 variables K-map. For this, you need 2 raised to power 3 number of columns. Total 8 columns. This side you can write A, this side you can take 2 variables. This is for 3 variables A, B, C. So, here you have to write same way A complement and A for this row and this row. For first column you have to take B complement dot C complement, both complemented, then B complement dot C, BC and BC complement. So, this way you have to write. First of all, you have to take the complement of both, because you need 0 here in the. Try to keep the numbers in ascending order, but only one term you have to change from this to this. B complement dot C complement, here only one term you have to change, we are changing the C, C complement to C. So, B complement dot C. Now, again you have to change from this term to this term, only one term out of these 2 you have to change. This time you can't change C because already you have changed. Now, this time you have to change B only. So, B complement changes to B. You have to revert that term. So, B dot C. Now, again from this term to next term, B already just changed. Now, you can change C. C changes to C complement, B is here. So, this is B dot C complement. Now, intersection. A complement, B complement, C complement. A complement from here, from there, B complement, C complement. Same way here, A complement, B complement dot C, B complement dot C, from here A complement. Same way here, A complement BC and A complement B dot C complement. Here also A, B complement C complement, A B complement C, A B C, A B C C complement. So, each column is the combination of left literal left variable and the top variable. Here is B C, B C from here is from here. So, in each column is the intersection of the literals, corresponding literals. So, now find out the designations. All three are complemented. So, you can write 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So, wherever is the complement, write 0, uncomplement, write 1. Now, you can write the designations. 000, the decimal number is 0, 001, the decimal number is 1, 011 is 3 and 010 is 2, 0132 and here 100 is 4, 101 is 5, 111 is 7 and 110 is 6. So, these are the designations of the columns 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6. Now, 4 variables K map, 4 variable K map. Two raised to power 4, 16 columns should be there. This side you can take AB, this side you can take CD this side, AB this side. Now, A complement B complement, A complement B, AB and AB complement. First of all, you have to take the complement, same way here C complement dot D complement, first term, and C complement dot D, like here CD and CD complement. Now, find the intersection of this A complement, B complement, C complement, D complement, A complement, B complement, C complement, D, A complement, B complement, C and D, A complement, B complement, C and D complement. Designation you can also find 0, 0, 0, 0, all are 0. So, designation is 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So, designation is 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. So, designation is 3, 0, 0, 1, 0, designation is 2. Next column, next row for this A complement, B, C complement, D complement from here. So, you can write 0, 1, 0, 0, this is 4, binary is 100, decimal number is 4, A complement B, C complement D. Here you can write 0, 1, 0, 1, which is 5, A complement B, C, D. So, 0, 1, 1, 1, designation is 7, 111 is the binary, A complement B, C, D complement. So, 0, 1, 1, 0, the designation is 6. And same way here you can also get A, B, C complement, D complement. So, 1, 1, 0, 0 and here A, B, C complement D, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D complement. Here you have to write 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So, designation you can easily write here, designation will be 12, designation will be 12, 1, 1, 1, 0 is a binary of 12 and it is 13, and it is 15 and it is 14. Here A B complement, C complement, D complement, A B complement, C complement, D, A B complement, C D, it is complement here, A B complement, C D complement. So, 1 0 0 0, 1 0 0 1, 1 0 1 1, 1 0 1 and 0. So, here it is 8, here it is 9, it is 11 and it is 10. So, this is 4 variable K map, this is the base. So, before reducing any expression you have to draw the base of K map like this. So, we remember the designation 0 1 3 2 4 5 7 6 12 13 15 14 8 9 11 10. Now, let us reduce some Boolean expression using K map. If one expression is here, A complement BC plus AB complement C plus ABC complement plus ABC. When you reduce it algebraically, it will give AB plus BC plus AC, the reduced term when you reduce it algebraically, but same expression we have to solve using K map. First of all, how many variables are there? There are 3 variables. So, here you need to draw 3 variable K map having 8 columns. So, draw 8 columns like this 1, 2, 3 and 4. 3 variables, 1 variable you can write this side, other 2 this side. Here A complement and A, here B complement dot C complement, B complement C, BC complement BC and BC complement. Designations are 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6. Now, what you have to do? How will you solve the Boolean expressions? A complement B C. A complement B C is 3, or you can say 0, 1, 1. So, fill it with 1. 1 you have to fill here. I am writing here 0, 1, 1, which is the designation of 3. Here 1, 0, 1, which is the binary of 5. Here 1, 1, 0, it is 6. 1, 1, 1, it is 7. So, 3, 5, 6, 7. 3, 5, fill with 1, 6 and 7. So, these are the 4 columns which we have filled according to this expression. So, be remember you have to fill 1 for the SOP expressions. Once the K map is filled with ones, now how to reduce it? First thing, you try to form octet. Octet means combination of ones, combination of 8 ones, either horizontally or vertically or in square shape. If octet is not possible, then try to form quads, and quads are the combination of 4 ones, that may be in horizontally, vertically or in square shape. Do not take diagonally. If quads is not possible, then form pair. Pair is the combination of 2 ones. Pair can also be horizontally and vertically, not the diagonally. So, 1 1 you can form the pair. You can't form pair like this is wrong, either horizontally or vertically. So, horizontally again you can form this one, combination of 2 ones, not 3, combination of 2 ones. This one is left, you can form with the help of this one. So, now we have 3 pairs. How will you get the expression? See the first pair is this one, pair 1 is at 5 and 7. At 5 and 7, here left side variable is A, and 5 and 7 the upper side variables are B complement dot C and B C. Now, you have to remove the, you have to take the common one. Common one is C, the changing is B complement to B. So, do not take B, do not take B, only take the common one. So, you can write A dot C, A from left side of this pair and this side common is C. Now, for second pair of 7 and 6, for 7 column and 6 column, for 7 left side is only A, upper side you can see which is common, B is common, and C is changing to C complement, remove this, eliminate this. So, write B. Now, for the vertical column, for column number 3 and 7, left side A changes to A column, remove it, only take the upper one, that is BC. So, this is the reduced expression for this SOP expression. Check the answer. This way you can reduce 3 variables K-map. Now, how to reduce 4 variables K-map? First of all, draw the 4 variable K-map. I am first of all going to explain you, the way of making the pair, quad or octets in K-map. A, B, C, D, here you can write A complement B complement, A complement B, AB and AB complement. Same way here C complement D complement, C complement D, CD and CD complement. I am filling the designation 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 8, 9, 11, 10, 12, 13, 15 and 14. These are the designations, okay, which we have already I have discussed in the previous topics. Now, here I am not taking right now any expression, just filling to explain you how to make the octet, quads and pair. Suppose if 1 is here, 1 is here, 1 is here and 1 is here, then can you form a quad? No. Can you form pair? Yes. Pair you can form like this, this one, this is the pair, this is the pair, but you can't take, because once you have taken this pair and this pair. You can also take this pair, vertical pair, but this type of pair is called redundant pair or redundant group. What are redundant group? If all the columns are already occupied by any other group. See, when you try to form this pair, both the ones are already occupied. One is occupied with this group and this one is occupied with this group. So, do not take the redundant. Okay, now, if 1 is here, now, you can form this pair, this pair, this pair, this pair and this pair, but always give preference to the octet, then quads, then finally give the preference to the pairs. So, quad is possible. You can see combination of 4 ones. Now, 1 is left, you can make pair easily. This way you can also make. Okay, now, for time being I am removing this. Next example, if these columns are also filled with ones, then you can also form quad like this. You can also form the quad like this. Combination 4 ones horizontally, maybe vertically. Now see 1 1 1 1. So now do not form pair with this one. You can form pair with this here, one here also and here also, here and here. But this one also comes in quad. So you have to form this quad. Give preference to the quad, even single one is there. If it is coming in quad, make it quad. Do not form the pair. So these are the ways you can form the quads. One more method. If suppose one is here and one is here, now what can you do? You can form the quad with this one, this one will be left. So you can also form the pair taking this and this. This is called paper fold method. Paper fold method, you can also form the pair like this. But here when you see this example, 1 1 is here and 1 1 is also here. So you can also form quads with these ones. So give preference to the quads. You can also form these quads. One more example of same types, just to make you understand. If one K-map is here, which contain 1 1 1 1 at all the corners, then you can form quad this way also. So there are many methods to form the quads. This is called paper folding method, from horizontally and vertically. If one is here, then you can also form quads. If one is here, then do not form quad. Now you can easily form this one and this one octet. Give priority to the octets, which is a combination of 8 ones. One more example of octet. This was paper folding method. If it is 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1, this is the octet. Okay, now so let us solve some Boolean expression using K-map. Let us continue with some more Boolean expression which we have to solve using K-map. I am using 4 variable K-map. There are 4 variables A, B, C, D, sigma sign for SOP expression. These are the designations. So we have to reduce this cardinal form into the lowest form, lowest reduced expression. First of all, form the K-map. Already we have discussed how to form this. We have 4 variables A, B, C, D. Here write A complement, B complement, A complement, B, AB and AB complement, C complement, D complement, CD, C complement is CD and CD complement. These are the designation 4, 5, 7, 6, 8, 9, 11, 10, 12, 13, 15, 14. Now we have to fill the columns with the given designations. First designation is 7, fill it with 1, then 9, 10, 11, 9 is here, 10 is here, 11, 12, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 13, 14 and 15. So these are the columns which I have filled with the ones. Now we have to form the octets first of all, but can you see there are 8 ones, no, one is missing. So you can't form octet. Now give preference to the quads. Combination of 4 ones are here, here also, here also. So I am forming this quad first of all. Now 1 is left. Do not form pair because these are coming into this quad. One is left. Do not form pair. Give preference to the quad. This one is left. Now only pair can be formed. This is the pair. Now derive the expression from these quads and pairs. I am taking first of all this complete quad. Here left side AB and this side all are changing because all the columns are occupied. So nothing you have to write. C complement changes, D complement changes to D, C complement to C, and here also D to D complement, nothing you have to write. So only write AB. For next quad, this quad, designation 13, 15, 9 and 11, I am talking about this. Left side of this quad is AB and A dot B complement. So B changes to B complement, remove this, take only A. And now same opposite of this, C complement changes to C, take only D. So AD is from this quad of designation 13, 15, 9, 11. Now come to the next quad, this one having designation 15, 14, 11 and 10. So left side you can see B changes to B complement, take only A. This side, this CD and C dot D complement, so D changes to D complement, take only C, A dot C. Now only pair is left. Left side A complement changes to A, take only B, and here CD both, nothing is changing. So this is the final expression, which is we can say the reduced expression for this K map. One more example. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 8, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15. I have taken some designations. Now we have to draw the K map and find the reduced expression. Draw the K map first of all. A, B, C, D, A complement, B complement, A complement B, A, B, complement, C complement, D complement, C complement D, C, D and C, D complement. Fill the designation 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 8, 9, 11, 10, 12, 13, 15, 14. So this is the base of K map. Now fill these designations 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. This one I have filled. 8, 10, 11, 8, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 13, 14 and 15. Now first of all see whether octet can be formed. 8 ones, 4 ones is here, but no, this side one is empty. So no, not possible, octet is not possible. Then try to search the quads, combination of 4 ones, One quad you can easily see here, one you can see the horizontal quad, and one you can see the paper folding method, this two and this one. So, but we have to find out also the redundant quads. So, what I am going to do, I am forming this quad first of all and this one. Okay. Now, one more quad is there, these two ones and these two ones, the paper folding method, these two ones and these two one, but this quad will be the redundant pair, redundant quad. So, do not take this quad. One is left, you can't make pair diagonally, you can make pair here. Now, this one is left, 1, 1, 1, 1. At all the corners there is a 1, so you can also form a quad for this one, for this one, for this one and for this one. Now, reduce the expression. First of all, this for this quad 0, 1, 3, 2 having designation, first row only you can write A complement, B complement. Now, for this square quad, left side you can see B changes to B complement, remove it, take only A, the common one, and the right upper side you can see C is common, D changes to D complement, remove the D, take only C. So, 2 quads 10, 11, 14 and 15, this is the AC for this. Now, the corner ones 0, 2, 8, 10. To see the left side of 0, 8, 2, 10, left side is this one, these two, this one and this one. Here common from these two is B complements, because A complement changes to A. So, write only B complement. Same way here 0 and 2 and 10 and 8, the quad is there. This side C complement, D complement, here C D complement. So, from here D complement is common, so C complement dot C is changing, so take only D complement. Now, one pair is left, left side only AB and this side C complement changes to C, only D will be there. So, this is the reduced expression for this K map. Now, if in place of suppose SOP we have POS form. So, how to solve POS expression? For POS it should be pi sign. First of all, drawing K map and filling. We have to draw the K map and in place of 1 we have to fill the zeros. Try to understand. For POS, product of some expressions, first of all draw the K map. Designation will remain same in both the cases, left side AB, right side CD. Here you have to write A plus B, but what we were writing in SOP, we were writing A complement, B complement. Here A complement B, here A dot B and AB complement. This was for SOP expression, but for POS, I am talking about the POS. A plus B, here you have to write A plus B complement, here you have to write A complement plus B complement and here A complement plus B. Same CD, for CD you have to write C plus D, C plus D complement, C complement plus D complement, C complement plus D. Here just complement of the SOP. AB, the non-complement terms are considered as 0. So, 0, 0, 0, 0, here it will be 0, designation will remain 0 and the complement term will be termed as will be denoted by 1. A, B, C, D. Here A 0, B 0, C 0, but D 1. So, 0001, that is 1. Now, for this column intersection, left side A, B both are 0, but both are 1. 1 1 is 3. 0 0, 1 0, 1 0 is 2. So, designation will remain same. 0 1 2 1 3 2 4 5 7 6 8 9 11 10 12 13 15 and 14. Now, suppose this is the expression, same expression. First of all, we have to fill the columns with the zeros. 0 is here, put 0. 1, 2, 3, 8, 10, 11, 8, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 13, 14 and 15. Method of forming octet, quarts and pair is same. So, see here, you can see here quad is there, this quad is there and the corner one quad is there and one pair is here, this one. How to write the POS expression, or first of all find the terms. From this quad, left side is A plus B, write A plus B. This side nothing you have to write because all are changing, so put in bracket, then put dot for the next term. For this quad, left side B complement changes to B, remove this, take only A complement from here. And from this side take C complement because D complement is changing to D plus D complement. For the corner ones 0 to 8, 10, left side only B you can, A changes to A complement, you can take only B plus upper one these two columns C plus D and C complement plus D, C changes to C complement, write only D. Now, pair as left only. For this pair left side is A complement plus B complement and this side C changes to C complement, write only D complement. So, this is the reduced expression for this cardinal form. This way you can solve the Boolean expression using Carnot map. That is all.